Careface CVP. Subscribe, like, comment, and let the whole world know about it.
Did you know this? Yamar Rolando McNaughton, popularly known as Chronixx. He is a Jamaican reggae artist. He was born on October 10, 1992, in Spanish Town, Jamaica. His stage name replaced the name Little Chronicle, which he was given because of his father, the singer Chronicle. Did you know this? Chronixx, alongside his lyrical content, revolves around themes of anti-war, romantic declarations and resiliency. Chronixx began songwriting at an early age. His father nurtured his musical aspirations. Chronixx spoke of his early life. He said his music comes from his early childhood days. Did you know this? Chronixx's whole family sings. Chronixx used to sing at school, in church, and anywhere he can sing he sings. His daddy, Chronicle, caused me to be very exposed to music from a very tender age. Chronixx said, I started producing, making rhythms professionally when I was in high school. I was 15, 16. It was a great vibe for me. Did you know this? Yamar Rolando McNaughton, known popularly as Chronixx, attended St. Catherine High School in Spanish Town, Jamaica. Chronixx started his recording career at the age of 11, when he recorded a gospel track with producer Danny Brown. It was never released. Did you know this? Chronixx provide harmony vocals for artists such as Lutan Fyah. He did production work composing rhythms used by artists such as Conscience, Popcaan, Munga, or New Rebel, and many more. 2013, Chronixx hit songs Smile Jamaica and Here Comes Trouble. He toured the United Kingdom and the United States with his band Zinc Fence Redemption. Did you know this? Chronixx traveled to Kenya, where he has a large fan base, as a peace ambassador. During the country's general election, he performed at the Tukarada Peace Concert in Nairobi. He performed at Sumfest in 2013, in front of an audience of more than 10,000 people. Did you know this? April 1, 2014, Chronixx EP Dread and Terrible was released. It topped the Billboard charts, the top reggae album of the week. In May 2014, he won Culture Artist of the Year, Best New Artist and Entertainer of the Year at the Linkage Awards in New York. Did you know this? July 2014, Chronixx performed on The Tonight Show, Jimmy Fallon, on U.S. network NBC. He performed in Central Park, attended by over 5,000 people. He was nominated for a MOB Award, Best Reggae Act category. He won awards for the Best Song Smile Jamaica and the Best Music Video for the song called Here Comes Trouble. Did you know this? Chronixx founded Zinc Fence Records production. Zinc Fence has produced hits for many big-name artists in the music business. His album, Chronology, received a Grammy Award nomination, and in the same year he received a Prime Minister's National Youth Award for Excellence. March 13, 2020. Chronixx released the first single Della Move from his upcoming second album, Della Splash. The title of the track and album were inspired by his hometown, De La Vega City, a district in Spanish Town, Jamaica.
Brought to you by Careface CVP. Subscribe, like, comment, and let the whole world know about it. Careface CVP.